all my Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? My name is Tony. Welcome to my channel. Last week I have made a video of how I remodeled my kitchen. I'll put in the link on the description box if you want to check it out after watching this video. And last week I have promised to show you how I'm going to remodel my living space and my dining area, but I'm unable to do that because I realized that it's going to be a big task for me. I need another week to finish that, but for now I'm going to share a video of how I made myself a reading nook, which is this one right here. I just had a few plants there, but it has a great view of the sunset. The sun's just coming down. I realized that I want to utilize this space for, a hangout space after work and have some wine or read a book and just watch the sunset. And I'll also share how much I spent on it or the materials that I have used to complete this space here. So let's get on. Okay, so this is what we need for our project. A cat to keep me company and some old curtains that I will use as a cushion cover to this. This is a foldable mattress and it's just the right size for my pallet. And of course the main material would be our wood pallet. I had bought this very cheap, 49 dirhams, and my problem though is that I don't have an electric saw or a jigsaw, and I'm just gonna use this small hand saw, and then I'm gonna cut it from here, or half of it, and then I'm going to stain it with these. Change of plan. So I've checked my mattress. It's foldable 3 times and it's too thick, so I'm just going to use these 2 layers. So I have to cut from here, and maybe I can use this for some other projects later on, so it's easier for me to sew the cover, and I'm only going to use that. It should be enough to cover this. that's it. That's how I made this reading corner here and sunset viewing deck. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'm just waiting for the sunset to come down and enjoy watching it from this corner here. So thank you very much for watching till the end of the video. Please leave a like or a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And as always, stay safe, stay strong. Bye.